Click on search bar and type here task manager. After that, click here to open it. Select run as administrator. Now it will open a new window. Then select file, click on run new task, and from here click on browse button. Then go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now open this folder, scroll down, select this file cmd.exe and click on open. Then check this box and click on OK. To avoid mistakes, we already have list of commands to make it easy for you. For that, open Google Chrome web browser, then type hows.tech Windows commands and hit enter. Now click on this link, which is from www.hows.tech. Now just scroll down and then copy command number 12. Simply select this, right click on it and select copy. Now right click on command prompt to paste that command and hit enter. After that, copy command number 13. Now type exit to close the command prompt window. Simply type exit and hit enter. Open File Explorer, then click on these three dots and select Options. Now on this window, click on this PC and simply click on Clear from the Privacy section. So after that, click on Apply and then OK. Now close this window. Then click on Start icon and then open Settings. Now go to Windows Update. So we need to check for updates. So click here and update your Windows. So this will take some time to download and update Windows. So wait for it. Once done, click on Start icon and open Task Manager. Now scroll down, select Windows Explorer and click on Restart. Once done, close this window. Now go to search bar and in the search bar type cmd run as administrator, select as. Now on the command prompt window you will need to type sfc space /scan now command and hit enter. This will take some time to complete the process. Once done, close the command prompt window. Then again go to search bar, open command prompt. Now you will get these commands in the description below. Just copy them and paste on command prompt window and hit enter to execute them. Now go for these, hit enter. Once done, type exit to close the command prompt. Finally, restart the system, which is very important. Before you do that, like this video. God bless.